Peace be upon you and your family. Oxidation of ethyl alcohol by potassium permanganate and potassium dichromate. Oxidation of ethyl alcohol by potassium permanganate and potassium dichromate. Ethyl alcohol CH3CH2OH usually undergo oxidation gives aldehyde. Aldehyde further on oxidation gives carboxylic acid. Ethyl alcohol on oxidation gives acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde further on oxidation gives acetic acid. How this oxidation reaction is carried out by using acidified potassium permanganate first and potassium dichromate next. Oxidation of ethyl alcohol by potassium permanganate and potassium dichromate. First with KMnO4. Which KMnO4? Acidified potassium permanganate is used as a powerful oxidizing agent. Acidified potassium permanganate is used as a powerful oxidizing agent. It oxidizes alcohol into aldehyde. In that reaction, in the first step, in acidic medium, permanganate MnO4 minus permanganate ion is reduced into Mn2 plus ion. In acidic medium, permanganate ion is reduced into Mn2 plus ion. How to balance this reaction? In acidic medium, first metal should be balanced first. One manganese. And second we have to balance oxygen atom. Left hand side we have 4 oxygen. Right hand side must be 4 oxygen. The 4 oxygen atoms are balanced by adding 4 water molecules. 4 oxygen atoms are balanced by adding 4 water molecules. Now how to balance hydrogen? 4 into 2s are 8 hydrogen. That 8 hydrogens are balanced by adding 8 H plus ion in the opposite side. 8 hydrogens are balanced by adding 8 H plus ion in the opposite side. Now elements are balanced, oxygens are balanced, now hydrogens also balanced. Finally, we have to balance number of charges on both the sides. Right hand side we have totally 2 plus. Left hand side 8 plus 1 minus gives 7 plus. 8 plus 1 minus gives 7 plus. How to equate into 2 plus to the 7 plus? By adding 5 electron. 7 plus 5 minus gives 2 plus. Charges on both the sides are now equal. Charges on both the sides are now equal. We know acidified potassium permanganate oxidizes ethyl alcohol CH3CH2OH into acetaldehyde CH3CHO. Common name acetaldehyde. First we have to balance the second equation. Balance the element first. 2 carbon. Element is balanced. Then second, balance the oxygen atom. 1 oxygen. Oxygen also balanced. Third point, balance hydrogen. 3 plus 2 equal to 5, 5 plus 1 equal to 6. So, left hand side is 6 hydrogen, right hand side 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Remaining 2 hydrogens are balanced by adding 2 H plus ion, are balanced by adding 2 H plus ion. Finally, we have to balance charges on both the sides. Left hand side no charges, right hand side here you have 2 plus. Left hand side charge is 0, right hand side you have 2 plus. Therefore, right hand side also the charge should be 0 by adding 2 electron. The charges are balanced. Now we are going to add these two equations. When we add two equations, first we have to equate number of electron. First equation 5 electron, second equation 2 electron. How to equate the number electron on both equation? First equation is completely multiplied by 2. Second equation is completely multiplied by 5. First equation is completely multiplied by 2. Second equation is completely multiplied by 5. After the multiplication, 2 into 1 equal to 2. 2 into 8s are 16. 2 into 5s are 10. 2 into 1 equal to 2. 2 into 4s are 8. 2 into 4s are 8. 5 into 1 equal to 5. 5 into 1 equal to 5. 5 into 2s are 10. 5 into 2s are 10. Now, cancel the equal molecule on both the sides. What are the equal molecules we have? 10 electron get cancelled. 10 H plus 10 H plus get cancelled. Remaining we have how many H plus? 6 H plus. 10 H plus, 10 H plus get cancelled. Remaining we have 6 H plus. Any other cancellation? No cancellation. Just add the two reaction and write the final equation. 2 MnO4 minus permanganate ion. How many H plus we have? 6 H plus. After cancellation we have 6 H plus plus ethyl alcohol how many molecule? 5 molecules of CH3 CH2OH. Then come to the right side, product side. 2 molecules of 2 moles of Mn2 plus plus 5 moles of acetaldehyde CH3 CHO plus how many molecules of water? 8 molecules of water. So, this is the balanced equation for oxidation of ethyl alcohol into acetaldehyde, ionic equation. Now, we are going to write the molecular equation. This is ionic equation. We are going to write the molecular equation. How to write the molecular equation from this? Manganate, now it is converted into potassium permanganate. Permanganate ion is neutralized by adding K plus. Potassium permanganate. How many molecules? 2 molecules plus. 6 H plus indicate the medium is acidic. We know among the 3 inorganic acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid and sulfuric acid is suitable, is most suitable to make the medium acidic. HCl is not used to make the medium acidic because it undergo reaction with the potassium permanganate. HNO3 is also cannot be used to make the medium acidic because it is a good oxidizing agent. It reacts only with the reducing agent. Therefore, the acid is sulfuric acid. Molecular formula H2SO4. How many H plus we have? 6 H plus. Therefore, 3 molecules of sulfuric acid. 3 into 2 are equal to 6. So, sulfate is entered. K plus combined with the sulfate 2 minus. Mn combined with the sulfate 2 minus. Now, plus 5 molecules of ethyl alcohol. CH3, CH2OH gives. What are the product we have? First, potassium. We introduced potassium and sulfate. This potassium combined with the sulfate form potassium sulfate. Sulfate oxidation state 2 minus, potassium plus 1. When we cross the oxidation state, that 2 is here, this 1 is there, plus. Mn2 plus combine with the SO4 2 minus, that is Mn2 plus. So, Mn2 plus combine with the SO4 2 minus, that 2 is here, this 2 is there, 2 get cancelled. But how many moles of Mn2 plus remaining 5 CH3 CHO, acetaldehyde ethanol, plus how many molecules of water? 8 molecules of H2O. 8 molecules of H2O. So, this is the reaction in which ethyl alcohol or ethanol is oxidized into acetaldehyde ethanol by acidified potassium permanganate. Now, we are going to see one more reaction of oxidation of ethyl alcohol into carboxylic acid by acidified potassium dichromate. Second reaction, how acidified potassium dichromate oxidizes potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7. Acidified potassium dichromate. How it oxidizes ethyl alcohol into acetic acid, ethanoic acid. IUPAC name of ethyl alcohol is ethanol. IUPAC name of acetic acid, ethanoic acid. The medium is acidic medium. Now, in acidic medium, the dichromate ion Cr2O7 2 minus ion, dichromate ion in acidic medium reduced into Cr3 plus ion, is reduced into Cr3 plus ion. We know how to balance this ionic equation in acidic medium. Shall we start? 2 chromium, first we have to balance the metal or elements. 2 chromium, 2 chromium. Then balance oxygen atom. 7 oxygen atoms are balanced by adding 7 water molecule in the opposite side. Oxygen is balanced by adding water molecule. 7 into 2 are 14. Hydrogen is balanced by adding H plus ion, 14 H plus. Finally, we have to equate the charges. Right hand side 2 into 3 are 6 plus. Left hand side 14 plus 2 minus equal to 12 plus. So, by adding 6 electron on the left hand side, the charge is equal on both the side. Charge is equal on both the side. Left hand side now 6 plus, right hand side also 6 plus. How many electrons are added? 6 electrons are added. Now, in the second step, ethyl alcohol CH3, CH2, OH, ethanol undergo oxidation into acetic acid, ethanoic acid, CH3, COOH. First, we have to balance the equation. Left hand side 2 carbon, 2 carbon. Carbon is balanced, element is balanced. Second step, we have to balance oxygen atom. Right hand side 2 oxygen atom, left hand side 1 oxygen atom. Therefore, that one oxygen is balanced by adding one water molecule H2O. Come to hydrogen. 3, 5, 6, 8 on the left hand side. 8 hydrogen atom. Right hand side only 4 hydrogen atom. Therefore, hydrogens are balanced by adding H plus. Both the side now 8, 4 H plus, 8 H plus. Finally, we have to balance charges. Left hand side no charges. Right hand side 4 plus. Left hand side charge equal to 0. Right hand side 4 plus. So, right hand side must be 0. That make 0 by adding 4 electrons. 4 electron. When we add the two equation to get the final equation, first we have to equate number of electron on both the equation. First equation, how many electrons are there? 6 electrons are there in the first equation. Second equation, only 4 electron. So, how to equate? The first equation is multiplied completely by 2. 2 into 6 are 12. Second equation is completely multiplied by 3. 3 into 4 are 12. First equation is completely multiplied by 2. Second equation is completely multiplied by 3. 2 into 1 equal to 2. 2 into 14 are 28. 2 into 6 are 12 electron. 2 into 2 are 4 Cr3 plus. 2 into 7 are 14 water molecule. Come to the second equation. We have to multiply the second equation fully by 3. 3 into 1 equal to 3. 3 into 1 equal to 3. 3 into 1 equal to 3. 3 into 4 are 12. 3 into 4 are 12. 3 into 4 are 12. Now we are going to add these two equations to get the final equation. Equal molecules, equal electrons get cancelled. First cancel the electron. 12 electron get cancelled. Then 12 H plus get cancelled. Remaining we have 16 H plus in the first equation. Remaining we have how many H plus? 16 H plus. Then 3 water molecule get cancelled. Remaining we have 11 water molecule. Any other cancellation? No other cancellation. Just add the two equations and write the final equation. 2 Cr2 O7 2 minus plus how many H plus? 16 H plus how many ethyl alcohol? 3 molecules of CH3, CH2, OH. Left hand sides are over. Gives. Come to the product side. 4 Cr3 plus how many acetic acid? 3 molecules of acetic acid CH3COOH plus how many water molecule? 11 water molecule. This is the ionic equation. Ionic equation of oxidation of ethyl alcohol into acetic acid by acidified potassium dichromate. By taking this as the basic equation, now I am going to write the molecular equation of this oxidation reaction. Molecular equation of this oxidation reaction. How to write? Now the dichromate ion Cr2O7 is converted into potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7. How many molecule? 2 molecule plus. Acidified means which acid is used? Sulfuric acid is used to make the medium acidic H2SO4. How many H plus ion? 16 H plus ion. Here we have 2. 2 into 8 are 16 hydrogen plus 3 molecules of ethyl alcohol, ethanol, ethanol. Ethanol gives. Right hand side. We use potassium and also chromium. This potassium combined with the sulfate gives potassium sulfate. Potassium is monopositive, sulfate is 2 minus, plus chromium is converted into chromic sulfate. Chromic sulfate in which chromium is in 3 plus oxidation state. Therefore, 3 is here. Sulfate is a 2 minus ion, that 2 is here. Cr2 SO4 thrice. Plus how many molecule? 4. Correct? 4. Then not 4. 4 Cr means 2 into 2 equal to 4. 2 into 2 equal to 4. 3 acidic acid, CH3 COOH, ethanoic acid, plus how many water molecule? 11 H2O. This is the molecular form of oxidation of ethyl alcohol into acetic acid by acidified potassium dichromate. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.